episode is a double rant, Anna Let's Get Acquainted and Manling Williams aka Asian She-Wolf. First, I'll rant on Anna Let's Get Acquainted. Enjoy. Anna Let's Get Acquainted. What the heck is that? More like Nkako. Oh. My. Mother. Freaking. Gosh. This is one of the worst sexual user I ever heard. This user likes sexual and pornography, and she wants to spam everyone's comment section. Oh, I see a video that she was dancing with a bra and see with her belly. I hate this stupid video. This user just keep commenting to put the duration and saying this, out of the ordinary, marvelous, awesome, unusual, ineffable, impressive, and more. Oh. Look at the comment section on my video on Don Andres Terrence funeral, and she just put the duration and she says, haha. Seriously, Anna, let's get acquainted.
Oh no 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 no! How freaking dare you disrespecting a Don Andres Terrence funeral? You know that is very rude, which is heartless, and that is not funny at all right now. I swear of God that I am going to make a bad video out of you. Seriously, I told you no Anna Let's Get Acquainted allowed. Because if you do, you will get some serious consequences.
Sorry for yelling so loud at this time. As for Anna Let's Get Acquainted. If you are watching this, get a life, you stupid ugly girl. I hope this user get terminated soon, and I got some bad news, she came back again on YouTube. Seriously. She should have not done that. I hope she gets terminated for the third time. I don't know you like this user. But did you know who hates this user? All good users. They wants to making bad videos, real life videos, and dancing like a hooligan videos out of her. So screw you Anna, let's get acquainted. And screw you and the Fairness Fan 2006 UTTPTHDTCTSPL. Denise animated is a 9,900 times better than Anna Let's Get Acquainted. End of rant 1. Next, I'll rant on Manling Williams, aka Asian She-Wolf. So enjoy. Manling Williams. More like man like Yiko. Oh my god. This person of the serial killer and mass murder sucks so hard. This person of serial killer about Chinese American who murdering in her own family, including 2 sons and husband. So, Williams she was killed 2 sons with a pillow, and slashing her husband 97 times with a katana while they're sleeping. She also, at the morning, Williams saw a lot of pile of blood, and she got a cigar while she's smoking. The police will found a blood with a finger, and she is now arrested and sentenced to death. Williams she was made a reference of serial killer at Andrea Yates' version. I hope this person will be death and God sent to hell forever. I don't know who likes this person, but did you know who hates this person? Corpus counter Warframe yes Fortnite no. He wants to wishing to Manling Williams to death in prison. So anyways, so screw Manling Williams, aka Asian She-Wolf. And screw you Anna Barraza. Rebecca Ford is a 9,000 times better than Manling Williams, aka Asian She-Wolf. End of double rant. Before I end this video, so I would like to give a message to all. If you want to give Anna Let's Get Acquainted terminated, please give a comments from the following title on the screen. And here's the message. Okay everyone. That's all. This is Miguel Perez, signing off.